Number 1. Lettuce. 100 grams contain 2.1 grams fiber. Number 2. Kiwi. 1 kiwi contain 2.1 grams fiber. Number 3. Spinach. 100 grams contain 2.2 grams fiber. Number 4. Broccoli. 100 grams contain 2.6 grams fiber. Number 5. Guava. 1 whole guava contain 3 grams fiber. Number 6. Strawberry. 1 cup contain 3 grams fiber. Number 7. Oranges. 1 medium contain 3.1 grams fiber. Number 8. Bananas. 1 medium 7-inch contain 3.1 grams fiber. Number 9. Green beans. 100 grams contain 3.4 grams fiber. Number 10. Brown rice. 1 cup cooked contain equals 3.5 grams fiber. Number 11. Carrots. 2 medium carrot contain 3.5 grams fiber. Number 12. Almonds. 1 ounce 24 almond contain 3.5 grams fiber. Number 13. Popcorn. 1 ounce contain 3.6 grams fiber. Number 14. Sweet potatoes. 1 medium boiled contain 3.8 grams fiber. Number 15. Apples. 1 medium contain 4.4 grams fiber. Number 16. Bulgur. 100 grams cooked contain 4.5 grams fiber. Number 17. Potatoes. 1 medium potato contain 4.7 grams fiber. Number 18. Pears. 1 medium contains 6 grams fiber. Number 19. Avocado. 1 avocado without skin and seed contain 9.2 grams fiber. Number 20. Chia seeds. 1 ounce contain 10 grams fiber. Number 21. Oats. 100 grams contain 10.6 grams fiber. Number 22. Lentils. 100 grams contain 11 grams fiber. Number 23. Dark chocolate. 100 grams contain 11 grams fiber. Number 24. Chickpeas. 100 grams contain 17 grams fiber. Number 25. Kidney beans. 100 grams contain 25 grams fiber. Number 26. Raisins. 100 grams contain 4.5 grams fiber. Number 27. Green peas. 9 gram fiber per boiled cup. Number 28. Barley. 6 gram fiber per cup, cooked pearl barley. Number 29. Pomegranates. 100 grams contain 4 grams fiber. Number 30. Amla, Indian gooseberry. 100 grams contain 4.3 grams fiber. Number 31. Flax seeds. 100 grams contain 27.3 grams fiber. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe.